Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy a FundingPips account with Bybit. First, prepare your accounts. Make sure you have a FundingPips account and a Bybit account, and it is better if your Bybit account is verified. Next, add funds in Bybit. Open the Bybit app, deposit or buy USDT, and keep enough balance to cover the account price along with any network fees. After that, start the FundingPips purchase. Log into your FundingPips dashboard and click on Start Challenge or Buy Account. Now, choose the account type. Select between one-step, two-step, or instant model, and then choose your account size such as 5K, 10K, or more. Next, go to the payment page by clicking Proceed to Checkout and selecting the payment method. After that, select Crypto Payment by choosing USDT as your payment option. Now, copy the payment details. You will see the wallet address, network type such as TRC20 or ERC20, and the exact amount. Copy all details carefully. Then, open Bybit and send the payment. In Bybit, go to Assets, then Withdraw. Select USDT, paste the FundingPips wallet address, choose the same network type, enter the exact amount, and confirm the withdrawal. After that, complete the security check by entering the email code and SMS or Google Authenticator verification. Now, wait for confirmation. The crypto transfer usually takes around 5 to 30 minutes, depending on the network. Finally, receive your account. After the payment is confirmed, your login details will be sent and your trading account will be activated. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.